You want a drink?
It's so fucking hot out.
Beer then?
Yeah, sure.
Is that a new shirt?
Yep.
I love elephants. They're incredible creatures.
I've never seen one in real life.
I didn't think so.
Why would you just assume I've never seen an elephant?
Want something stronger? You want something stronger?
Yeah. Please, you sit. I'll go get it. We have Fireball.
Never had it. Is it good?
Pretty good. Do you want a chaser?
Do I need a chaser?
Might need a chaser. Okay, I'll get you a chaser.
Tastes like cinnamon.
Yeah, don't you wish all alcohol did?
I like to pretend that it does.
How's that work for you?
Can't I just tell a joke? I was trying to ease the tension.
Okay, let's ease the tension.
I try to be nice. I try to not make this complicated. I even complimented your silly little elephant shirt.
Oh, yeah, that was nice.
And I was willing to try the Fireball too. I feel like this is all we've been doing lately. Fake smile, fake smile, fake smile, and drink.
That is all we've been doing.
Imagine if elephants lived in the city. White elephants.
Do you want another drink?
Fine.
It's not taboo anymore, you know. After like a week or two, you'll forget it even happened. We'll move on.
Will we move on, or will you move on?
We'll move on.
Just like that. Everything that happened will just disappear. Wait, how do you know that?
Do you remember how it used to be?
Tell me. Tell me how it used to be.
We were happy. We were sober, and we were happy.
You think we can go back to that?
Yeah. It'll be easy once we take care of this. Oh, peace, Kate.
The friends who've done it, they seem happy.
Listen, all I'm saying is if you don't want to do it, then don't do it. But it's not that big a deal.
This is what you want.
I think it's the right thing to do.
Okay. So if I do it, then we can be sober and happy. We can love each other again.
I never stopped loving you. You know that.
I suppose I do know that. I just mean, I can compliment your elephant shirt and you'll smile.
Yeah, I'll smile again. The only reason I haven't been smiling is because I've been thinking about this.
Aren't you a little bit worried?
Why worry? You know, people do this. It's perfectly safe.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. Because I don't care about me.
I don't care about you.
No, I don't care about me.
I care about you.
Sure, but I don't. And so I'll do it and we can be sober.
That isn't how I want this to feel. If that's how you feel, then don't do it.
The city will never stop being ours. Conquer more and more every day and we'll never stop living.
What was that?
We'll keep living. We can do everything.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do everything and have everything, exactly.
Maybe not.
This city. Other cities. The world. We won't have to stop living. Every breath will be just as exciting as the one before.
I don't think so.
It will. Step on unmarked ground. We won't have weights strapped to our feet.
No, it won't be like it was.
It'll still be like it was. We still own our lives.
No, they'll be taken away from us and we'll never see them again.
No one's gonna take our lives away.
I guess we'll see about that.
Just sit. Please. Why are you saying all this?
Because I see it. I know what will happen.
Then don't do it. Don't do it. If you don't want to do it, then don't go. I don't want to make you do something that you don't want to do.
That isn't good for me. I finished my beer. Can I have another?
Sure. Sure. But please, you have to see what I'm saying.
I know. I see what you're saying. Can we just please shut up for a while?
All I'm saying is if you don't want to do it, then you don't have to do it. If you'd rather not go, then I will stick through this with you. If that'll help you in any way.
What do you really think? I mean, do you care either way?
Of course I do. And I have you. You're all I need.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. I just don't want to hear any of our voices anymore.
I don't want you to do anything.
I'm going to scream.
You have 20 minutes to get to the train station.
What?
Train leaves in 30 minutes. I'll go get the bags.
Then come back upstairs and we'll finish our drinks and go.